Hello children, good morning. Today in this class I am going to explain you about the experiments in the anaerobic condition. Okay, so this is the experiment which is tested for the production of the heat and the carbon dioxide in the anaerobic condition when you insert or when you mix the live organisms in the glucose solution. Okay, so what is happening if you insert if you mix the glucose solution with the yeast, that you can come to know in this experiment. Okay, so the aim of the experiment is testing for the production of the heat and release of the carbon dioxide during the anaerobic respiration when the living organisms are kept away from the supplying of the oxygen, that is nothing but the anaerobic condition. Okay, so to do this experiment, what are the apparatus or what are the material required? So for this, for doing the experiment, you need a thermometer, a U-shaped tube, and glucose solution, yeast, you need yeast, next wash bottle, you need one small tube, a test tube, and lime water. Okay, so these are the required materials to do the experiment. Now what is the procedure of this experiment? So what is the procedure of this experiment? How to do the experiment? So the procedure is, first you have to take the glucose solution, heat the glucose solution so that whatever the oxygen present in the glucose solution will get evaporated. Okay, afterwards you keep the glucose solution undisturbed for some time. Okay, then cool it. Okay, after cooling you add the yeast. You should add the yeast. So you know yeast, how you have seen the yeast, which is a unicellular which is a fungus, right? So the yeast will multiplies when you provide the glucose substance. Okay, so you add the yeast into this glucose solution and keep it undisturbed. Okay, afterwards next you have to do is take that glucose solution in this wash bottle. Okay, then insert one thermometer and a U-shaped tube like this. Okay, then you close that wash bottle with a tight cork. You take one cork, okay, and put some 2 holes so that to insert the thermometer and the tube. So after pouring the glucose solution in the wash bottle, you have to make it airtight. Okay, means you have to pour the liquid paraffin wax, that is it will make the solution tight, it will closes it completely. And one more thing, you have to close the wash bottle also after inserting the tubules. Okay, so like this. Now what will happen? So the yeast, which is a which cannot prepare its own food, it will depends upon the carbohydrate for the nutrition. So it will get multiplied in the glucose solution by taking the glucose solution. So how can you see is this will happen, this multiplication or the reproduction of the yeast will happens in the during the anaerobic condition, that is without oxygen. Okay, that you can find out that by using the Janus green bee dye, okay, which is also called as diazine solution. So actually the solution color will be blue in color. Okay, when you add the solution to the glucose solution in anaerobic condition, so that blue color will turns into pink color. Okay, will turns into pink color. So by doing this you can know the anaerobic conditions. Okay, so you can know that whether the bottle is tightly fitted without the air gap. Okay, so the next end of the tube is inserted into the test tube. So you have to take one test tube. Okay, you have to take one test tube, and this is also closed with the cork. Okay, take one test tube, or take some lime water, that is bicarbonate solution, in the test tube. Okay, then insert one L-shaped tube into the test tube like this. Okay, then close it. Okay, so you keep all the apparatus for a while without disturbing for 2 or 3 days. So after 2 or 3 days you can see that so there will be the rise in the temperature. So what you can observe is there will be the rise in the temperature. So before keeping the experiment, you have to note down the temperature. Okay, you have to note down the color of the lime water. Okay, color of the lime water, it will be milk white in color, light white in color. Okay, that you have to note down. So after 2 or 3 days you can see the rise in the temperature. Okay, because during the anaerobic conditions the heat is producing, that is noted by the thermometer. Okay, you can see the temperature in the raised temperature in the thermometer. Afterwards, whatever the tube which is inserted in the glucose solution, from this it is inserted in the test tube which contains of lime water. So what will happen is, here whatever the gas produced will enters into the test tube which contains lime water and turns the lime water into milky white color. It will turns the lime water into milky color. Okay, so the color of the lime water will changes and you cannot see the gas. Okay, so that's why you are doing that experiment. You can note down the temperature but you cannot see the gas, right? So as the temperature as the carbon dioxide concentration increases, so one more to whatever you have inserted in the test tube, from this tube the carbon dioxide will start coming out. Okay, so like this you can find out about the rise in the temperature and the production of the carbon dioxide in the absence of the oxygen. So by doing this experiment. Okay.